everybody. Yeah, so you are so much welcome to this vlog. Yes, and what are we doing this time around, or what is the purpose of this video? So guys, my shoes have been down here, as you saw in the last video, when I was trying to organize my closet. But then I got extra pairs from a friend of mine. She's such a darling. So okay, I've been having shoes, like enough pairs, but now I have more enough pairs. So I feel like this place is not, like, it's not looking good for me, like the way they are. And I don't have a shoe rack yet. So what I've decided to do is I had it's called what? I had a closet. There's a video I showed you how to arrange a closet. I had a closet in my bed sitter, which I was using to put my clothes, these ones. But then when I came into this house, I found an inbuilt closet. So I have not been using that closet, so I was in position to arrange it somehow, not so good, but a bit, yeah, for the shoes. And meanwhile, as I plan to buy a shoe rack, because you know me, I plan out myself. I don't just buy things. It must be on my budget for that month, and learn to do that as well. Yeah, learn to do that as well. Learn to plan out yourself, and in that manner, or in that position, you will be able to sustain yourself throughout the month. You'll be in position to, you know, develop yourself and also save. That's not what brought me on this channel for today. Yeah, so today I wanted to show you guys how I'll be in position to arrange my shoes. If it's not looking good, comment down. If it is, give it a thumbs up. But like I said, this is not a shoe rack, but I'm making it a shoe rack for now, as I plan to get myself one. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for clicking again and again to this video. Manze, you are the best. You are the best. And today I want to say God, may my good Lord bless you. May my good Lord increase you. May He surprise you this week. May He fulfill your heart desires. May He do everything that you have ever wanted to have. Yeah, so let's get to the start of this video. First of all, I want to show you my pairs. And the other thing is that okay, I'm going to arrange my shoes on this other side, and the lighting is not good, so just bear with me till we do this together. Yeah, I also wanted you to have ideas on how you can do this, so let's get started. So guys, here are my shoes. Here are the pairs that I have as of now. Some of them need to be decluttered or removed, but you know, I'm still thinking. But those are my pairs. Up there are my heels. Coming there, I have boots, I have sneakers. I'm not a person of heels. I love simple shoes, and that is why I think I have very few heels. Yeah, so let's just get started. Let's try to organize and see how it will go. I hope you guys enjoy this video. back here like we did not leave. Yeah, so as you guys have been able to see, that is how I've been in position to arrange my shoes. For meanwhile, they look good, only that like when I'm trying to take a video, this angle where like the side where I have put the shoe rack doesn't have good lighting, but trust me, they look really, really good and organized compared as they were here. So just trying to think on what I can just leave this place the way it is. I guess it also looks good. Yeah, and that was it for this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share. Do not forget to comment. Yeah, so see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Remember to subscribe. Remember to